Here we are in Texas.
Yeah. Look at this place and the corn and all these animals.
Oh wait, what?
Huh?
There are coyotes attacking.
No, they're killing all the animals. We should kill them.
Yeah. They're over there. Come on.
Yeah. There's still more. We should keep on going.
Yeah. Let's check over there.
Yeah, let's check.